everyone, I'm Lydia, founder of Workflow Magic and a Platinum Monday.com partner. One of the most common questions I get is, can I automate Calendly with Monday.com? The answer is yes, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I do it using Make.com. This integration saves me hours every week, and it's an absolute game changer for any sales teams dealing with inbound leads. We're going to walk through 3 workflows: creating a new lead when an event is booked on Calendly, updating the lead if it's rescheduled, and marking it canceled if the meeting is called off. Let's jump in. Here's a test submission. We scheduled a call with Anne Hathaway. Right after it's booked, you'll see Anne shows up in our Monday CRM pipeline, complete with her name, email, phone number, time zone, and meeting date. Now, let's try rescheduling that meeting. Once we do, the system finds the item, updates the date, and changes the status to rescheduled. And finally, if the event is canceled, we'll cancel it on Calendly, and just like that, our CRM updates the status to cancel, so our team knows what happened and can follow up if needed. Let's take a quick look at the back end in Make.com. The flow starts when a Calendly event is created. We use a router to determine if it's a new event or a reschedule. And if it's new, we create a new item on Monday with all the relevant details. If it's a reschedule, we search for that item and update the date and status. For cancellations, it filters for canceled events, searches for the matching item, and updates the status to canceled automatically. If you're tired of manually updating your CRM every time someone books, reschedules, or cancels, this integration is for you. Want help setting it up? Click on the link below and book a free discovery call with me. Thanks for watching.